In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the background from an image using Canva. Whether you're looking to create stunning visuals for your presentations, social media, or personal projects, removing the background from your images is a crucial skill that can elevate your design game. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your Canva project. If you haven't already, sign into your Canva account and open the project where you'd like to work with your image. Canva's user-friendly interface makes it easy to locate your projects, so this step should be a breeze. If you're starting a new project, simply click on Create a Design and choose the format that suits your needs. Once you've opened your project, the next step is to add the photo you want to edit. You can do this by clicking on the Uploads tab in the left-hand menu and selecting Upload Media. From here, choose the image file from your computer that you want to work with. After uploading, drag and drop the image onto your Canva canvas. Position it as you like, ensuring that it's properly placed for editing. Now that your image is on the canvas, it's time to use Canva's background remover tool. You'll find the BG remover option in the upper section of the toolbar when you have your image selected. Click on it, and Canva will automatically start processing your image to remove the background. It's important to note that this feature is part of Canva Pro, so you will need to be subscribed to access it. If you don't have Pro, consider whether upgrading is right for you, as this tool can save a lot of time and effort. As Canva processes your image, you'll see the background disappear, leaving you with a clean, transparent image. This can take a few moments, depending on the complexity of the image and your internet connection. So be patient. If the result isn't perfect, Canva provides additional tools to refine the edges, allowing you to manually adjust the areas that need a little extra attention. And that's it. You've successfully removed the background from your image using Canva. This simple yet powerful technique can be used to enhance your graphic design projects, making your images more versatile and professional looking. Whether you're creating a thumbnail for a video, designing a flyer, or crafting content for social media, mastering background removal can make all the difference. Remember, practice makes perfect. So go ahead and experiment with different images and designs to see just how creative you can get with Canva's tools. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.